Hello students, welcome to another lecture of human anatomy and physiology, and today we will be studying about cell junctions. So let's start. So talking about the definition of cell junctions, they are basically termed as intracellular bridges, and the main function is that they provide as a contact, or they provide as a adhesion between neighboring cells or between a cell and the extracellular matrix present in animals, right? So the main function of cell junctions is providing they are basically a point of contact. Now coming to the classification of cell junctions can be classified as tight junctions, adherence junctions, desmosomes, hemidesmosomes and gap junctions. We will be studying about each of these junctions in our coming slides. Okay, now in this particular image you can see the location of each of the junctions, right? Now firstly talking about tight junctions. So the blue dots which you can see in this particular image are your tight junctions, and they are basically present between cells, and they are basically the connected area of the plasma membrane that stitch the cells together. It is basically a point of contact between various cells. Now talking about adherence junction. So the red dots are your adherence junction, and they basically join the actin filament of the neighboring cells together. Actin filament of one cell and the actin filament of the other cell are basically joined together through adherence junction. Now talking about desmosomes. Now desmosomes, they are stronger connections that join the intermediate filaments of the neighboring cells. Whatever intermediate filaments are present in the cell, they are joined together through desmosomes. The green colored junctions are your desmosomes. Now talking about hemidesmosomes. Hemidesmosomes can be seen in light blue color, right? They are basically a connection between the intermediate filament of the cell or one cell to the basal lamina of the other cell. So hemidesmosomes basically connect the intermediate filament of one cell to the basal lamina of the other cell. Now talking about gap junctions. Yellow colored junctions are your gap junction that form tunnels of aqueous connectivity between cells. As the name suggests, gap. So gap junctions mainly provide a certain amount of space for the movement of molecules or the movement of substance. Right, so the yellow color junction or your gap junction, and they form a tunnel kind of a thing so that aqueous substances can move across the cells. So thank you so much, dear students. This was all in today's lecture. Today we studied about the cell junctions. We studied about the definition of cell junctions and the function of each of these junctions. If you have any queries, any doubt in today's lecture, please feel free to reach out to me. Thank you.